Hi guys, this is Chantel. Today we are going to be planting the area that I cleared up in, I think, a couple of videos ago. And I have a whole lot of plants with me, and I'm going to be showing you what we are going to be planting today. And I think it's going to look beautiful. So let's go ahead to the trailer. This is where I have the plants right now, and show you all the plants that I have. So these are the plants that I have right now. I have five Russian sage and 3 Dudzias. And these are the Dudzias, and they bloom this beautiful pink bloom, and I'm not sure exactly when they bloom. I think they are a spring bloomer or a midsummer bloomer. Where does it say? I think they are a spring bloomer, but you can look at the foliage, and I think it looks very nice with the Russian sage over here. And they have these beautiful pink and white flowers. And this is the lilac that I have, and I got this as a bare root, and it grew. You can see all the growth that it put on. All the green that you see is new growth over here, and I potted it early spring, and it has these white double blooms with a light pink in the center. So one of the Russian sage actually broke into 2 pieces, so over here, so I'm going to try to plant this piece separately on its own and see if it does anything. If not, that's okay. And these, you can start seeing the blooms on the Russian sage. They have this beautiful blue blooms, and here's a tag: sage advice. This Russian sage, I believe, grows to 3 feet tall and 2 feet wide, and this Dudzia grows it to 2 by 2, I believe. And if you remember, this is the area where we cleared last time. Now I'm going to place the plants over here. I'll show you where I place them, and we're going to plant. So I looked at them from different angles, and I think I like where they are. With the Russian sage, the last one, I'll just take it out, the one that was broken, and see where else I can place it. But I think I like the placement, and I kind of want them to hide this pole over here. And these grow low. It's a 2 by 2 shrub, and I still have a lot of space over here, so I can put some more low growing stuff in the front, maybe some sedum or something like that. And I'll get more stuff throughout the years and fill it out, and maybe next year I'll get some more, and it will just fill in and grow. It takes some time, but I think it's gonna look beautiful, and I can't wait for next season to see how it's gonna look like. So I got with me some fertilizer. I have some plant tone and rock phosphate. I'm going to be giving all the plants the same stuff. I'm just going to put a little bit of rock phosphate because it helps with the root development, and I'll just be watering them every day and check on them to see if anything needs replacing or something like that. Hopefully nothing needs replacing, and hopefully everything takes. I also put this lilac about 8 feet away from the power line over here. They grow about 15 feet tall and wide, so in diameter that's 15 feet. And I think it's pretty safe to put it over here. It's not going to touch the power lines. I'm going to start with the biggest stuff first. So let's start with the lilac. I'm not going to tackle this today, but eventually I'm going to be taking this out of here also. All the grass right here. planting it a little bit over soil level because there are a lot of rocks and I don't want it to drown, and the rocks also have some dirt in with them, and I'm going to fill in with some of the dirt that I put in here around it also, so it should be okay. I'd rather have it over the soil and not drowning than under the soil and drowning. So I'm going to sprinkle a little more rock phosphate over the top. Whoa. Rocks over it. It will grow so fast. I think next year it's going to be probably twice as big, if not 3 times as big as you see it right now. It got dark because my neighbor came over here and chatted with me, and she's so excited about this. I think as much as I am, because this is our entrance. We share an entrance with our neighbor, a driveway with our neighbor to our houses, and this has been ugly for years, and I've been working on it for years, and now it finally is looking somewhat decent. So let me show you how everything is looking like and where I planted the last of the Russian sage, the one that broke off. So in the front over here we have the Dutsia, which is going to be blooming some pink with white edging in the spring, I believe. And then we have five Russian sage, which bloom summer to fall. I think to late fall. I could be wrong, but I think so. So you can see them over here. There's one right in front of the pool. I changed their locations a little bit just to kind of work better with the Dudzias over here. I will be planting some maybe echinaceas over there or yarrow. I might plant the echinaceas over here. I'm thinking of planting maybe some like a peach colored yarrow and the green twister echinacea. And the yarrow is going to bloom in the summer, and the echinacea blooms midsummer to late fall, so that's going to play along nicely with sage, and we will have summer bloom, we'll have spring bloom. I might add some other stuff in later. I won't be adding these two in this year, but I will be getting seed for the green twister echinacea, and who knows what else I'll be adding. And you can see right there behind me, that's the lilac. It looks puny right now, but everything is going to grow and is going to look beautiful. My hair is a total disaster right now, but don't mind that. I planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plants. And let me show you where I put the last of the Russian sage, the one that broke off. So I kind of buried it over here. So we have this rock right here, and there's the Russian sage. I kind of want it to come up over here. This is like a gray rock with some moss on it, and I thought the Russian sage would look nice next to it. And there's the rest of the Russian sage. This is a top view. You could see the Dutsias right there. Let's look at it from the top one more time. So there we go. Oh, it looks so nice. So just imagine maybe a clump of peach yarrow over here, and some echinaceas over there, maybe in the front, maybe some in the back. I might put in some veronica in the front also, in front of the Dutsias, maybe some purple or pink, probably purple veronica in the front, or maybe pink, we'll see. Yeah, I think pink might be better since the Russian sage is like a bluish purple. So I think this is going to look extremely beautiful, especially the more we work on it and the more plants I add over here. And I'm super excited that I have some plants over here right now. They're gonna grow. I have to water them tomorrow. I'll bring some water and water them, and I'll be watering them every other day to make sure that they're going to survive. Now our weather has kind of changed a little bit, and we are starting to have cooler days. So I think today was in the 70, like maybe 75 max, which is super nice. And here it is again. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be leaving some other videos for you right over here to watch. And if you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.